Good morning, guys. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do the Panikeke Lapokopoko around Panikeke, but I had some funny shaped ones too. It could pass as a love heart, I guess. And they were selling by Bengal. I've never heard of it before. Look, by Bengal. Yeah, all I can say is give it a try. Don't be shy. It rhymes. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd do me a mukbang. I've been saying mukbang, but it's mukbang. This girl that just sub to me said that's how you say mukbang. Anyway, guys, you learn a new thing every day, I guess, eh? But anyway, I'm going to try these panikekes and one of these pies. I'm going to open it up and see what... Oh, hang on. Wait, guys. I'm going to show you guys. First, look at that. Ooh, la la. Yeah. It's the panikeke and the pie and my cup of tea. Yeah. That's what it looks like, guys. So I'm about to do it and get it over and done with. I only went down to the shop to get milk, and look, I come back with by Bengal. It's got Bengal inside. I guess it's made of sugar, brown it up and toss the Bengal in it. And then, wait, hang on, I just dropped some Bengals. Yeah, so I'm going to try it. I guess it's like German bun, but in a pie crust. My foot. I like how they have some nice round ones, and then you get the this kind. But I don't mind this kind because it's crispy. Oh yum, guys! It's got pineapple inside it. Crushed pineapple. Ngon ấy. Oh gosh, must have saved that. So this is my breakfast today. What are you guys having for breakfast out there? Nice cup of tea. Yeah, chunks of pineapple in it. The time is 20 to 10 in the morning. It's nice too. I remember going to Samoa. And there's always this, at the old market, the market there, I heard that got burnt down, unfortunately. Right on the corner, far corner, there were these guys that always sold the pancakes, like banana pancake, and quite big too. And you go there and they go, "Maro tina, mai mai oi." And I go, "Hey, first of all, I will pay my or si tina or Jane." And they can't cover laughing. No. And I love the pancake because it is fine. It's a banana in it. It's always good, lovely. Big size for the price. Because I'm visiting, yeah, you know those ones you buy like all of them just to go at home and give to your family for their breakfast as well. Because where we stay, it's like a line of our family. Like my dad's siblings all stay in line. I won't tell you where because, yeah. Okay. This is Maibasi. Maibasi Thai. That's it. Yeah. So we got a line of relatives all staying together. It's good. Because, you know, we can hang out, talk together. The best in Samoa, where are you guys from? I like Samoa. I'm going in the end of the year. I'm going to see family and we'll get this reunion happening. I'm looking forward to going to Savai. I want to go there because I have never been there. I said to my siblings, when we go to Samoa, let's go do a road trip there. No maka maka. I bet it's nice. I heard it's nice there. Mm. 10 years ago, that was my last visit there. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Savai. I'm looking forward to. There's one thing I'm looking forward to. I'm gonna go on that big ferry that they have there home. Yeah, shit. So hopefully, God willing, all is well. We plan to take our car over, our van. We're having this van. Have a day out in Savai. Oi guys, my tea's going down faster than my pancake. My panikeke. Nice. Mixing on crushed pineapple, mangaya. I knew I should have got my big mug for my cup of tea. So, the way ya, madre ya, the thing on the Mukbang, the ring on the tea. I don't want to bore you guys. Oh, look, I'm not even eating the pipe mu. Hindi masali once. Should have had a little bit of moist and just a little bit of... Yeah, okay guys, I got to dip it. Wow, yeah. See? Man, I'm making some koko later. Sua later. Making it for my mum. She's in her room outside, in the sunroom. Made it into her bedroom. Era wa umariki. Umariki ele kei kainga umar pankeke. Ka Faye. Well, I just wanted to say good morning to you guys, and I'll have a couple of pankekes. I'm gonna go and do my sua later, koko later. And my kids, they say, do the white rice, do the... Get mixed up sometimes. Anyway, because my hair, yeah, the koko later. There's a bye-bye, it's like a rice pudding. Yeah, right. I've got to say adios and thanks for stopping by. I just wanted to quickly eat some of this panikeke and make you guys want some Panikeke Lapokopoko. And guys, I'm not familiar with this, but I try to get used to it. It's escape my foot. Okay, look guys, my cup of tea's finished. So I've got to say adios amigos. Yeah, now I'm Mexican. Yeah, whakake lava. Yeah, take care, wailua, and take care. Thanks for stopping by. E se koulele, mahanga ia kere o ko se kia public. Yeah, mahanga ia. Take care of each other, take care of yourself, and stay awesome, and always praise God for the life that we are blessed with. Yeah, okay. Whasoi fua. Tama patene le wailua. Yeah, whasoi fua. Bye.